Ever wished you could turn one piece of content into perfect posts for every social platform without losing your unique voice or spending hours at it? Let me show you how. Reposto makes it effortless. So as a content creator, I know how tough it is to keep up with X, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. Repurposing while keeping your brand voice is a real challenge. And most tools just give you generic results and the quality depends on your marketing skills. But with Reposto, you get a personal AI agent that does it all automatically and in your style. So let's get started. You can refer to this blog on dev.io to understand more about this project, how I built it from scratch, and how I utilize the features provided by Runner Edge to make it. So this is the demo link, which is a shared run that I provided with you all. So first of all, the thing that you need to do is you need to follow the steps mentioned in this blog. Firstly, you need to copy paste the system prompt provided here as it is. Then you can paste that into Runner Edge. After pasting the system prompt, before running the prompt, you must ensure that your connections are working properly because in this workflow we'll be using Google Docs and Gmail, so ensure that they are working. Process is very simple. You just need to toggle this button for whichever integration you need to use in your workflows, and you need to just follow simple basic authentication and authorization and it will work. So let's see how the shared run was working. So this is the shared run which you'll have. Firstly, you'll start by entering the system prompt, and you'll also have an option of adding your text document for reference, which will contain a brief personalized reference for your past posts or writing style so that Coverage can provide a more suitable repurposed content for each platform in your specific brand voice. And after writing the prompt, you can simply press enter. Then you will be greeted by a Edge reposto, and it will ask you to specify the platforms you need to repost the content for and share your contact. So here in Run, as I have mentioned, I have provided my platform preferences and my name and mail ID. This mail ID will be used to provide us content later. After that, it will move on to the second step, which is the main content and the brand voice. So if you have provided the local document, the text document, it will refer that as your output. But even if you don't provide it, it will still try to repurpose the content in the best possible manner. And you need to provide your main content. So as you can see, I provided a main content as a very short paragraph. After that, it searched over the internet using its surface functionality, different relevant articles on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. After that, it created the file and document was written and it was shared with me over via link. Now it also provided a summary of what all things it had performed. And the next section, if everything works well, will open up as the iterative review and feedback module 6. So in this module, you basically provide your reviews and feedback about the document. You can ask as to fix certain things. For example, this is the final document. In the initial document, I felt that the new content was a bit less. So I asked Ganesh to improve the linking content. As you can see, try to be as specific as possible and provide good prompts because the better the prompt, the more relevant and direct the implementation. So as you can see, it has heeded my prompt and went on with the checking out the Google Doc and making the required changes. After making the changes, again gave me a brief idea of what all changes it had made. After that, once I am satisfied, I can simply tell the agent that I am satisfied and the task is finished. After that, we move on with the finalization review. It has provided summary of the actions, final document access, and now it will share an email with me over my mail ID that I specified in the beginning. But I can also ask to provide the mail ID by sending an extension prompt if it takes some time. And after that, if everything works well, you'll be able to receive your document in your email, and that is how this works. So you might occasionally run into some glitches. Most of them might be fixed by trying out again later or adjusting your prompts a bit. But I have tried my best to minimize these issues, but a little patience is a long way. And if you are watching this video or at this blog and like this project or the idea, so please kindly like this video and my blog as well and share your comments in the feedback section. So thank you so much for watching and let's use Reposto or thank you.